it's 2025. And Google finally decided to stop saying, "We're working on it, guys," and instead drop a full nuclear package on the entire AI industry. This week, Google released Gemini 3. And it's not just another model, it's a direct attack on ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, pretty much everything that breathes. But before talking about what it can do, let's begin with the funniest bug in AI history. When Google gave early access of Gemini 3 to Karpathy, the model didn't believe it was 2025. "Hey, it's 2025. Nice try, human." He showed screenshots, articles, news, Google search results, and the model literally said he was gaslighting it. Then he turned search on. Gemini 3 looked at the real internet for 5 seconds and went, "Oh my god, you were right. About everything." The model basically woke up in 2025 like it had just crawled out of a bunker and missed 18 months of tech drama. Remember, Bard? That legendary disaster that made Google's stock fall while the CEO was still talking? Yeah. Not this time. Gemini 3 actually caused Google stock to jump 6% and hit an all-time high. Some people are calling it Google's biggest reverse card moment ever. When we say it's strong, we mean GPQA Diamond 91.9%. Humanities last exam 37.5%. Gemini 3 Pro can process images, video, audio, text code all at the same time. It scored 87.6% on video MMMU, beating GPT 5.1 and Claude. Imagine saying, "Plan a 3-day trip to Rome. Here's a fully interactive website with maps, filters, itinerary sliders, mood selectors, restaurant types, and weather integration. And yes, no coding required." You can say, "Make a mortgage calculator with UI," or "Build a physics simulator," and it literally builds a full app for you. Google hyped it like, "We built Antigravity." Everyone thought it was a flying car, but no, it's VS Code with an AI god living inside it. But honestly, it's terrifyingly good. Understands your project, writes the code, fixes bugs, generates tests, creates plans, suggests full workflows. Google calls it the jump from AI assistant to AI co-developer. In Ultra, Gemini can scan your inbox, identify important emails, organize them, even start paying the bill. You obviously stop it before it spends your money. For the first time ever, Google put its newest model into search on day one. In Gemini AI search mode, it redesigns the page, creates a dynamic layout, summarizes context, shows interactive visuals, gives deeper reasoning. Search is basically moving from text, dynamic UI. Lesson of the day, Gemini 3 isn't perfect. Sometimes it books your dinner reservation, but gets nervous when the payment page appears. Sometimes it wakes up and thinks it's still 2024. But in terms of capability benchmarks, agentic behavior, multimodal reasoning, real product integration. This is Google's boldest and most powerful move in AI since the launch of ChatGPT. And if this speed continues, the AI war has officially entered its chaotic phase. Stay curious and remember, the future doesn't wait for anyone, especially not developers who stop experimenting.